Tired of battling dust clouds that roll through your workshop every time you cut or sand? Don't worry, I've got you covered with the top picks that balance power, filtration, and value. Today, I'm going to be going over the best dust extractor that you can get right now. All of the products mentioned are linked in the descriptions, so check them out if you're interested in any of them. With that, let's begin. At number 5, we have the VEVOR Air Mover Blower. From the moment I unboxed it, this compact unit felt ready for busy shops and home garages, targeting hobbyists and pro DIYers alike. Its lightweight frame, coupled with a built-in handle, promises portability during on-site drying, ventilation tasks, and quick cleanups. The intended user base includes contractors, workshop owners, and serious DIYers who value rugged reliability alongside straightforward operation. Its housing combines steel and reinforced plastic, delivering a balanced, sturdy silhouette that should withstand daily handling and occasional drops. The design includes a compact footprint with a comfortable carry handle and a multi-angle nozzle for precise targeting of damp corners. Its dimensions stay compact enough to tuck beside ladders or in cabinets without obstructing entryways during busy days. Performance-wise, it delivers about 315 CFM, moving air across surfaces and speeding up drying in tight workshops. It offers multiple speed settings and a variable air control to match job requirements, enhancing efficiency and reducing power waste. Compared to a similarly priced plastic unit from a budget brand, the VEVOR Air Mover Blower feels noticeably more robust and horizontally stable. The pros include ultra-portable lightweight design, robust metal housing for durability, and adjustable speed settings for versatile drying. The cons include a higher price than budget plastic rivals and a heavier weight that reduces true portability in crowded environments. During field tests, it dried a small workshop floor in minutes and maintained consistent airflow across shelves and tool benches. In long-duration tests, the unit stayed cool and produced steady airflow with minimal temperature rise and negligible wear. Overall verdict suggests VEVOR Air Mover Blower offers effective airflow management, reasonable build quality, and solid value for mid-sized workshops. At number 4, we have the Dustopper PRO. From the moment you unbox it, the Dustopper PRO appears tailored for serious hobbyists and professional workshop users seeking efficient dust management. Its intended audience spans contractors, cabinet makers, metalworkers, and DIY enthusiasts who require reliable filtration without saturating shop vacs. Build quality combines a rugged steel chassis with a resilient rubberized exterior, delivering impact resistance while remaining relatively light for a durable unit. Its compact dimensions manage to pack a surprisingly generous cyclone chamber without sacrificing accessibility for maintenance and bin emptying. 5 adjustable feet provide stability on uneven floors, while a simple latch system secures the bin for safe transport and disposal. The Dustopper PRO employs a cyclone separator that funnels debris into a bin, reducing filter clogs and extending runtime. A large inlet accepts standard hoses, while the nozzle geometry optimizes airflow for consistent suction even when plugged into power tools. The collection bin features a translucent wall, allowing quick level checks and preventing accidental overflows during heavy debris sessions. In live testing, it maintains strong suction while pulling fine drywall dust and larger wood chips without clogging the filter. During extended runs, the cyclone kept debris separated, noticeably reducing maintenance intervals compared with a traditional shop vac. In practical terms, users report less downtime between cleanups and a quieter operation profile than most portable extractors. Compared to the standard Dustopper 2.0, the Pro offers better dust separation and a more stable base, though at a higher price. The pros include strong dust separation, a compact footprint that fits tight spaces, and easy bin removal and cleanup after use. The cons include a higher price than basic models and bulkier than a small shop vac, factors that hinder overall value for some users. At number 3, we have the Fein Turbo I, a compact dust extractor designed for professional workflows that demand reliability, efficiency, and results. From the moment you lift it, you sense the attention to motor cooling, filter accessibility, and overall ergonomics aimed at professionals. For tradespeople with limited space, the Fein Turbo I offers a remarkably compact footprint that still houses a high-capacity filtration system. The chassis uses a rugged metal casing with reinforced handles and soft touch grip zones, reducing fatigue during long shifts and heavy use. Its dimensions balance compactness and reach, allowing easy transport through crowded vans while still accommodating a sizable filter canister. Weight distribution is thoughtfully tuned so the unit remains stable on uneven floors, with a low center of gravity and solid caster wheels. A key standout is the detachable hose connector. which simplifies cleaning workflows and lets technicians switch tools without heavy dismantling. The intake port is designed for common hose sizes, minimizing the need for adapters and limiting air leakage during high suction tasks. Internal filter staging promotes steady airflow and reduces clogging under heavy dust loads, helping maintain peak performance across extended production runs. Engineered to accept optional HEPA or multi-stage filtration, the unit preserves air quality in fine dust environments without sacrificing suction. In field tests, it maintained consistent suction while transitioning between heavy-duty sanding and drywall tasks, demonstrating stable motor heat management. During extended runs, the sound profile remained within acceptable ranges for a dust extractor, reducing fatigue and boosting operator concentration. Maintenance is intuitive, with accessible pre-filters and a simple emptying procedure that minimizes downtime and preserves peak filtration efficiency. Compared to the Festool CT26 EAC, the Fein Turbo I offers a smaller footprint and quicker filter changes, but suction lags slightly. The pros include robust build quality, excellent dust capture, and quiet operation that makes daily use noticeably easier. The cons include higher price and bulky weight, which may deter budget-conscious teams seeking overall value proposition. At number 2, we have the VEVOR 34110, a compact dust collection solution designed for hobbyists seeking clean, efficient workshop operation. From the moment unboxed, it conveys a practical, no-nonsense vibe that appeals to weekend woodworkers and small shop owners. Its price point positions it as an entry-level yet capable option for users upgrading from portable dust collectors. Despite compact dimensions, it promises steady performance under moderate workloads and fits neatly into tight garage or workshop corners. The metal frame feels sturdy, with a durable housing that resists denting during everyday use and careful transport. The plastic dust collection bag attachment feels secure, with positive latching that minimizes rattles when the motor runs. Its footprint measures roughly 12 by 18 inches with a modest height, enabling placement beside workbenches without crowding. The overall design emphasizes ease of use with a lightweight silhouette and integrated carry handle for quick repositioning. The dial and switch placement are intuitive, reducing setup time and making it accessible for beginners without sacrificing precision. A standard 4-inch inlet accommodates common ducting, while the dual-arc switch panel ensures easy on-off control from multiple angles. The bag filter combination includes a pleated cartridge and catch bag, increasing filtration efficiency and extending filter life between cleanups. During extended testing, it maintains strong suction across different materials and workloads without noticeable performance drop or lag. In dense chip situations, it maintains steady airflow and avoided clogs during longer, continuous woodworking sessions with minimal downtime. Compared to the Delta 5850, the VEVOR 34110 delivers comparable suction at a friendlier price, while offering easier maintenance and portability. The pros include an exceptionally accessible price point for hobbyists, a compact footprint that fits tight spaces, and remarkably easy ongoing maintenance. The cons involve a somewhat higher purchase price relative to very basic models and a relatively limited dust bag capacity under heavy workloads. At number 1, we have the Festool 574837. A pinnacle of dust management engineered for pro workshops seeking precise, clean, reliable extraction. From the moment unboxed, the Festool 574837 exudes professional seriousness, signaling it targets serious craftsmen and workshop enthusiasts. Its streamlined portability suggests installation in compact studios and busy shops alike, where efficiency and cleanliness drive daily productivity. Initial impressions emphasize a rugged matte finish and reliable controls designed for repeated, high-volume use without fatigue. The enclosure uses corrosion-resistant plastics and reinforced metal components that together convey durability while resisting shop dust and impact. Its dimensions fit through standard doorways, yet provide ample bulk for stable operation during heavy extraction tasks, ensuring dependable placement in diverse shops. The adjustable powerhead and modular hoses can be configured for a variety of tool setups without excessive reassembly. Inside, a robust cyclone and stainless dust collection path minimize clogs and maximize suction efficiency during continuous grinding and sanding. It includes a multi-stage filtration system with a quick change bag and easy access filter for rapid maintenance. Noise output remains manageable for a pro-grade extractor, with vibration dampening and rubber feet that isolate operation. In tests, the Festool delivered consistently clean sweeps across fine drywall dust and drywall particulate with minimal filter loading. During continuous operation, Airflow remained strong even when dual hoses and accessories were attached, indicating solid motor stamina. In long sessions, the unit remained cool to the touch and maintained high suction even with heavy dust loads. Compared to the competing Model X from a rival brand, the Festool delivers steadier suction longevity and superior accessory integration. The pros include exceptional filtration efficiency, easy tool integration, and durable construction. The cons include higher price and heavier weight.